Elegance and open floor plan make this a great home. It is in one of Edinburgh's nicest, centrally located, gated communities. The high decorative ceilings, tile floors and beautiful woodwork in plantation shutters are a must-see. The oversized master bedroom bath boasts an enormous walk-in shower plus a garden tub. Walk from your master through your private door to the pool area. The pool is approximately 3 years old and has an ocean blue bottom and beautiful neon blue lighting at night. The home has opposing formal living and dining areas as well as the open living dining areas that have great view of the pool through tall custom windows. The formal living could also double as an office or guest room with French doors and a closet. In addition, don't miss the half bath next to the indoor laundry. The half bath opens to the pool area for convenient entertaining of friends and family. Come see the many elegant touches from the ornate front door to decorative niches and wet bar area.